Hello, I wanted to make a little video here. This is for lesson 4.4, creating a histogram for grouped data. So they are asking us to have an initial class boundary of 20.5. So I drew that there. And then an ending class boundary of 45.5. And so I need to figure out the class width. They told us they wanted to have 5 classes. So what I did was I took here 45.5 and subtracted 20.5. And so the whole difference from my first class to my last class is 25. And I divided that 25 by 5. So my class width is going to be 5. And so I'm going to add 5 to my first class lower boundary. And then I'm just going to continue doing so. So let's go ahead and put those in my boundaries here. So 25.5. 30.5, 35.5, 40.5. Okay, and okay, and then I have to count how many are in each. So 20 to 20.5, 23 is in there. 24, 24, and 21. So I'm gonna click on this first one and drag it up to 4. And then in the second class, between 25.5 and 30.5. So 26 is in there. 28. 27, 27. So this one is also 4. Then in the third, the third class. I have okay, I should have a class with a 4. So I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to add a column. And this needs to be 45.5. Okay. So yes, they said the last one's gonna be 45.5. So then from 30 to 35.5, I've got 35, 31, 34, 34, 34, 31, 31. So 7. Okay. Then in my fourth group, I've got from 35.5 to 40.5. So 38, 35. So I just got 2. And then in my last group, I have from 40.5 to 45.5. So I've got 44 and 41. So 2. And so these should add up to be 18. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 19. So I have too many. This should actually be 5. Okay, so what I do is I suggest writing down all of the numbers, all the values, and then crossing them off after you tally them to make sure that you have the right amount. So we now have 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And we're gonna check it. Some of the frequencies are incorrect. Let's check. Hopefully you caught this at home. So this one was one too many. No, this one was one too few. So there should be, I had put 35 in this other category, so this should only be at 1. Okay. There we go. So just take your time, make sure you're coming up with the right number of classes and the right width, and you've got the right starting value on your class boundary.